Within the ovary, the endometrial implants and the resulting inflammation cause destruction of healthy tissue. This loss of healthy ovarian tissue impacts the ovarian reserve in women with endometriosis, potentially leading to a reduction. Alternatively, if a surgical procedure is carried out to eliminate these endometriotic implants located within the ovary, the ovarian endometriomas or chocolate cysts, the adjacent healthy tissue may also have been damaged, which would lead to an impact on ovarian reserve. Furthermore, when endometriosis is located in the ovary, an environment is created that is not conducive to the normal and proper development of follicles and the maturation of oocytes. This would be due to the presence of certain pro-inflammatory molecules and other factors that would have a toxic effect.